Hello बच्चों, so let's read this question. The dispersed phase in colloidal iron 3 hydroxide and colloidal gold is positively and negatively charged respectively. Which of the following statement is not true? तो not correct. हमें इसमें से false statement बताना है. A. Coagulation in both salts can be brought about by electrophoresis. B. Mixing these salts has no effect. C. Sodium sulphate solution causes coagulation in both salts. D. Magnesium chloride solution coagulates the gold salt more readily than the iron 3 hydroxide salt. Now let us first write the key concept of the question. So key concept of the question will be coagulation is a chemical process for removing particles in suspended or colloidal form. For removing particles in suspended or colloidal form. These particles do not settle down, do not settle on standing. On standing का मतलब when the container or the container in which the solution is kept is left untouched. Also, these particles cannot be removed by conventional physical treatment processes. Cannot be removed by the conventional physical treatment processes. Treatment processes. So if we look into this solution of the question, उसके लिए हमें पहले अपने ऑप्शंस देखने होंगे. हमारा पहला ऑप्शन हमें दे रखा है coagulation in both salts can be brought by electrophoresis. So let us see about that. By electrophoresis, coagulation in both solutions can be brought. We know that जो हमारा electrophoresis होता है, we know that during electrophoresis, through the colloidal solution, an electric current is passed. And the experiment arranges in such a manner that only particle can move. And experiment is arranged in such a manner that only particles can move. तुम्हारा जो ऑप्शन नंबर ए हो गया, it becomes true. Our option A becomes true. Now let us talk about our B option. B option कह रहा है mixing the salts has no effect. Now let us see about that. तो अगर हम देखें अपने सेकंड ऑप्शन को, सेकंड ऑप्शन हमें कह रहा है by mixing the salt it has no effect. So the dispersed phase in the colloidal gold, the dispersed phase in the colloidal gold and colloidal iron 3 oxide, iron 3 hydroxide is negatively and positively charged respectively. Negatively and positively charged respectively. So mutual coagulation is affected when two solutions are mixed. जब हम दोनों solutions को मिक्स कर देते हैं सो पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव मिलके ये न्यूट्रल बना लेता है सो इट रिजल्ट्स इन म्यूचुअल कोऑगुलेशन सो म्यूचुअल कोऑगुलेशन is affected when two solutions are mixed. This is due to neutralization of the charge on one sol by opposite charge on another sol. तो हमारा सेकंड स्टेटमेंट जो है वो फॉल्स हो गया क्योंकि उसमें कह रखा है कि nothing will happen has no effect but we can see that mutual coagulation is happening due to neutralization. तो हमारा second statement will be the right answer to the question. Let us discuss the two other options as well to get a better understanding. हम अगर C वाले को डिस्कस करें तो हम C वाले में देख सकते हैं that it says sodium sulfate solution causes coagulation in both sols. Let us discuss this. So sodium sulfate solution जो होता है हमारा it causes coagulation in both solutions. We have already studied that. It causes coagulation. Solution causes coagulation in both solutions. Negatively charged gold sol is coagulated by sodium ions. Negatively charged gold sol is coagulated by sodium ions as well as जो हमारा positively charged iron 3 hydroxide है it get coagulated by sulfate ions. So and positively charged iron 3 hydroxide sol is coagulated by sulfate ions. तो हमारा ऑप्शन नंबर जो 3 है हमारा वो भी ट्रू हो गया और इस क्वेश्चन के आंसर और इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर नहीं होगा. नाउ लेट अस टॉक अबाउट द डी पार्ट. डी पार्ट हमारा कह रहा है मैग्नीशियम क्लोराइड सॉल्यूशन coagulates the gold salt more readily than iron 3 hydroxide salt. So let us discuss this. So magnesium chloride solution जो है it coagulates gold solution more readily. It coagulates gold solution gold salt more readily than positively charged. हमारा गोल्ड सॉल्ट कैसा है नेगेटिवली चार्ज्ड है. पॉजिटिवली चार्ज्ड आयरन 3 हाइड्रोक्साइड salt. In magnesium chloride, the charge on the cation is twice the charge on the cation is twice the charge of the anion. और हमें पता है according to Hardy-Scully rule, higher the charge on anion, higher will be the coagulating power. So higher the charge on the ion, higher will be its coagulating power. अगर हम डिसोसिएशन या फिर आयनाइजेशन ऑफ MgCl2 देखें तो हमारा जो MgCl2 है विच इज मैग्नीशियम क्लोराइड इट ionizes into 2 Mg plus Mg2 plus 1 mole of Mg2 plus 2Cl negative ions. So we can see that the charge on the is are positively charged is twice the charge on the anion. तो हमारा cation का चार्ज जो है वो डबल है anion के चार्ज से, क्योंकि हमारा जो anion का चार्ज है anion charge is 1 whereas cation charge is 2. तो हमारा जो नेगेटिव सॉल्व होगा it will get more easily coagulated due to greater charge in cation. So negatively charged हमारा gold sol है, so it gets more readily coagulated than negatively charged iron 3 hydroxide salt. तो हमारा जो ऑप्शन डी है वो भी हमारा ट्रू हो गया. तो हमारा राइट आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन नंबर बी. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड द क्वेश्चन वेल. बेस्ट ऑफ लक.